Today on Tools to Action, we're talking about one of the best zero turns that you can get on the market right now, and it doesn't even have a gas-powered engine. We're going to talk about the bagging system for the Ego Z6 lawnmower. Alright guys, here we are, the Ego Z6. Gonna go out on a limb here and say this is the best cordless zero turn, cordless, you know what I'm saying, battery powered on the market right now. It's the most advanced for sure. It's the only one I know of that has interchangeable battery packs, so you can interchange it with your weed whip, your blowers. But now we've gone one step further with this unit, and we've got the bagging system, right? What the bagging system is gonna allow you to do is suck up all the clips. So it's not going to necessarily vacuum your yard. I mean, if you have leaves down, yeah, it'll pick up some of them, but it's not going to be like a low vacuum and suck everything up. What it's going to do is basically all the clippings that you create, it's going to suck it up. So if you keep doing it while you're mowing, you're going to have less thatch on the ground, which is good. And how it operates is it comes with two blades that go on the bottom, lift blades. They give you instructions how to do it. It really only took me about 20 minutes to install this thing. You put this side rail on here, the side tube, and if you come to the back, that's it. I mean, it's that simple of a system. Basically, there's a clear tube there. When that stops flowing, you know you're full, and it shoots the grass out here, and then when you're done, you just slide the bins out. They're just in there like that, and you can use the handle. It's pretty awesome, I gotta say. Another thing that this has is these weights on the front. See, these weights just screw on. It's so weird. They only weigh like 10 pounds each or something, or 5 pounds each. They're really light, but it just balances out this unit. Even when you have a full bag on the back, this unit is so well balanced. Not once did I feel like it's gonna tip back. Now granted, they did a software update to this that makes it like some kind of supercar rocket. You can pop wheelies all day long with this thing without the bag on it, right? But when you're normally mowing, that's in like transport mode. When you're in normal mowing, you can basically be assured that you are not going to tip over. It's the same weight distribution as before. And I like how they did it. If you look over here, Zach, see how most of the weight is over the tires here? Like your body's there, so a lot of weight is over the tires. It's just so well properly balanced. And again, this is coming from a company that never ever made a zero turn ever in their life, right? But what did they make? Battery technology. What did they come out with? Blowers, mowers, and they really dominated the market, and they've learned a lot in the 5 years or however long they've been around. And it took them a while to come out with this. It wasn't the first one to come out, but I really give it to Ego. They really did well on this mower here, and there's no complaints whatsoever. So we're gonna go out and try it, and let's see what happens. Alright guys, I'm lazy. One of my biggest pet peeves is garbage in my yard. I hate getting off the mower. Who wants to get off their mower? You know, it's like you're thrown and pick up garbage. So let's see, if this garbage is in my yard, will this just suck it up? I'm hoping it will, because that will add a whole nother cool factor to it. Little remnants there. Let's try to get it. That's crazy. It sucked it all up. One little piece was left. Oh, check it out, Zach. There it is. How cool is that? Dude, I'm sold. I'm sold. I'm sold on bagging. I'm sold on Ego. let's get rolling, you guys. Let's push it out the door for Ego. Come on, what do you guys think of this? Comment below. You guys that have Ego mowers, the 0 turns, let's start a club. We're gonna take this over. Right? How cool would that? All right, let's see what we got, sister. Look at that. It pretty much took it all and got it all in there, you know what I'm saying? You guys, I'm definitely sold on bagging now. I never was. It's an extra step, it's an extra pain. Like I said, I'm lazy, but I'm sold on it. I've used baggers before. I didn't like them. They were just big, bulky. Ego's done a great job at making this as compact as possible, efficient as possible for the job at hand. And when I say for the job at hand, do not buy this and run around parking lots sucking up garbage. It'll probably do it, but it's not the machine for it. This is designed to, when the blade gets cut, to suck up that grass. And it does take up, I mean, I would say it's like 95% or more efficiency, maybe more, you know? Yeah, granted, when it's full, you know, stuff comes out the side a little bit, so you know you're getting full. But I mean, I still think you're getting 95% of your clippings. Look at my yard. It actually looks bad from this angle, but it's so much looking better since I started cutting with this. Something about leaving the thatch in your yard. I heard sometimes it's good if you mulch it, sometimes it's not, but I'm definitely going with this extra step. I love it. Let's start an Ego club. I want to see you guys out there. We're gonna get a big get together, all of us in our Z6s all in one spot. We're gonna try to get 1,000 Z6s in one spot and all go for a huge ride down Lakeshore Drive in Chicago. Who's with me?
Remember, for more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.